My name is Sakesh Shetty from AJ Engineering College. Today we will discuss about one Pelton wheel problem, how it is we can solve in this kind of problem. A Pelton wheel has a mean bucket speed of 10 meter per second with a jet of water flowing at the rate of 7 liter per second under a head of 30 meters. The bucket deflects the jet through an angle of 160 degree. Calculate the power given by the water to runner and the hydraulic efficiency of the turbine. Assume coefficient of velocity as 0.98. So this is the problem they are given. First we need to data what they given, that we need to write. Given data they given what, speed of the bucket speed of the bucket speed of the bucket, that always we know that is u is equal to initial velocity is equal to, and speed of the bucket u initial velocity and u1, and after strikes, that's all same. It means 10 meter per second, that the given the 10 meter per second. A Pelton wheel has a mean bucket speed of 10 meter per second with a jet of water. So before going to that, we need to draw the diagram. The jet bucket always in these shapes. This is Pelton wheel. The water strikes center of the bucket. So water strikes center of the bucket. So this is u1, the initial velocity, and after that this is relative velocity vr1. So this is the final velocity. This is v1 is equal to vw1. This always v1 is equal to vw1 in inlet diagram and inlet velocity. So when water is distributing from this direction and this direction, so when the jet is strikes this side, so that reasons there is no any inlet diagram. If it is jet strikes tangential direction, so there is a inlet diagram will come. So it is velocity components will comes, velocity of the relative velocity components will comes, and velocity components will comes. There is no any components here, so because it strikes directly, so alpha is equal to 0, theta is equal to 0 in this direction. So just strikes and it deflects an angle of the return angle of how much angle the bucket deflects 160 degree. So you write 160 degree angle it deflects 160 degree angle. So the diagram will go like this. So this is the relative velocity, or absolutely this is relative velocity. What is the values? vr2 they given, the velocity of the jet outlet vr2, the values given. And we can write vr2. So then the two components will comes. This is v2 absolute velocity, this is psi, and this is beta. So this one will comes u2, and this is vw2. The top side will comes. I will have this diagram. You have not done the no. So this one we considered vrc, u2, vw2, vr2, v2, and this one component of vf2 and vw2 components of v2. When we are resolving, this is inclined. When you are resolving vf2 and vw2, x direction is vw2 and y direction vf2, and vr2 components vf2 and vrc. So this is the small velocity flow triangles. This is very much important for you calculation purposes. And next, what they given, the discharge they given, discharge value they given, how much? 7 liter per second. 7 liter per second they given discharge. So we can write it 0.7 meter cube per second. First we need to write what they given, 0.7 meter cube per second. And head of water, so that the storage head of water is 30 meter. Head of water they given, head of water is 30 meter. And angle of deflection, we know that angle of deflection is 160 degree. Angle of deflection 160 degree. This one we know, angle of deflection is 160 degree. So angle of psi, what is angle of psi? This value what is the value of psi, because we know this value 160 and this value is equal to this value. So what is this value? 160 minus 180, 180 minus 160, so it means 180 minus 160 is equal to 20 degree. So 20 degree angle, that one. And coefficient of velocity CV is equal to 0.98. And velocity of the jet, we are finding out the formula CV is equal to root 2 GH. So CV value is they given 0.98. What is the CV value? CV value is coefficient of velocity. I said they given coefficient of velocity in the question only. They given 2 into 9.81 into head. What is the head? That is 30. So velocity of the jet is 23.77 meter per second. So velocity of the jet means the water storing here, and from this penstoke pipes and it strikes here. So what is the velocity of the jet when it strikes the bucket? What is the velocity of jet? That is 23.77 meter per second. So the relative velocity also we need to find. What is the relative velocity? That is VR1. So this is the VR1. So how we know the V1 minus U1 will get the VR1. So the relative velocity means it's related to this plate, how much it goes, and the plate is moving. So related to this initial velocity, just strikes the velocity. So that reasons we need to find VR1. VR1 is equal to V1 minus U1. So V1 value we know